Hello YouTubers. It's been a while since I posted anything about the Humvee. I need to pay more attention to it. It's been so hot here in Florida. I had a comment from a subscriber asking how I wired up the alternator. You'll have to go back to my other video on the install about the model because I already forgot. It's been a while, but it's real easy. Just your main wire feeding your battery, just like your original wiring. There's a little red grommet on that post, but if you see which post it's going to, if you get the same alternator, and you don't need the anything plugged up to the spades up here, it's self igniting, or whatever you call that. Yeah, as soon as it starts up, it starts charging. Sorry, it's getting blurry here. What's going on? And I grounded it off here, and these other wires are just going to my aftermarket, so to speak, glow plugs. That's also in another video, how I made my separate glow plug on a switch inside. Got away from the other factory way. I don't know if it was going out or what, but this works every time. I have a momentary switch inside that fires them up. But that's it. The hardest part was cutting this bracket in a way where everything lines up, and kind of modding everything to make everything in line to fit where you want it to. I actually have enough room to do a dual alternator, or the 12 volt side. That's one of the problems with this. It's been over a year now I've been using this. It works great across the system, 24 volt, but my back battery, it always drags down from the radio, or if I use the winch. And I think what I'm gonna do is get a 24 to 12 volt transformer and put it off the front battery to 24 volt side to charge the back battery. Hopefully that'll keep it from draining, but that's basically it. I know you asked about how to wire it, but I think I did order a thicker cable. I don't know what size it is either, I can't remember, but you can see compared to my finger, it's pretty thick. I know it's not 1 gauge or 1/0, it might be 2. But yep, that's it, just right there. And yeah, the hardest part was just making some bracket to go in there to line it up. Hope this helps you, answers your question. Thanks for your replies there.